Yo fam, welcome back to the channel. There's the car. I haven't been driving the car for the last week, and to be honest, I kind of miss the car. So today we're gonna be working on doing the rotors and brake pads. So that's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna go ahead and drive to AutoZone, no, I think it's O'Reilly's, and pick up the brake pads for the fronts, and I will be getting the rears for my friend. I think he bought them but he didn't use them, so that's gonna happen today. Also fam, don't forget to go follow Origin, that's the brand, and shirts are available right now on pre-order. As soon as I get 10 orders, they will ship out ASAP, so that's the deal. Alright fam, so let's head over there to O'Reilly's and get the brake pads, and we're gonna go home and change the rotors and brake pads. Again fam, don't forget to click that subscribe button for me. Fam, let's see, so we're putting gas right now. There it is. You guys can check out the rear diffuser. Look at those tips from the HKS. Nice. Alright fam, so just picking up the brake pads right here. Nah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I got open.
He's what?
You were gonna ask me if you were gonna be here. I'm like, yeah, he's gonna come right now.
Well, I'm just picking up the brake pads for him, I'll bounce. Hey, what's up, bro? Hey.
What's up, man?
What's up? How do you
I've
doing?
known you guys forever.
Really?
How are you guys?
Yeah, just here.
Yeah?
How do you like those shoots from Raw Media?
I love him, man.
Yeah?
I love him, man. Yeah, that guy's good. He does a great job. You know, representing the brand on the side.
I know. These are the new shirts.
I do, that's
Yeah,
awesome.
yeah.
I was just looking at that.
Yeah, it's like,
It's awesome, bro.
yeah.
Congratulations on that, man.
Yeah, it's hopefully it turns out to be good.
You're doing amazing. You guys are both forged wheels, you know. I missed that manual transmission, you know, but when I was looking for one of these, I couldn't find an IPL with
Check it out, fam.
yeah, it was like, it took me a while.
Hey, Real Origin. Believe it or not, fam, this is one of the subscribers. Somehow he contacted my friend that I was gonna be here, so he showed up. So that's cool. So this is a real IPL.
I was at a Shell gas station one time when I was
This is my friends. Hey, check it out. I think he's removing some wrap right now from his car. So,
she's like, this guy that doesn't look cool.
alright fam, so we got the rear brake pads that we're gonna be using. There they are, full ceramic for the rear. I'll be using that, and then we have front. There it is. Comes with everything, ready to go. Good. Fam, like always, you guys gotta use protection. Always be safe. Make sure you use your jack stands. Right now we're gonna take off the wheels. Here it is, we're gonna take it off, and then I'm gonna start doing the rotors and the brake pads. Alright fam, so I took out the wheel. This is my 3mm spacer in order to clear the Akibono. So right now we're gonna take off, I would say the back. It has like 2 bolts, and yeah, that's gonna be it. Take it off, take the caliper, and change the rotor. So I will try my best to record everything I do. So let's do this. So first we're gonna remove this 12, I think it is. So that's gonna be the line. So we're gonna be able to move it around. So that's that. Let's keep on going. So I had to remove this bracket, this one, that goes here, and the lines, that way we don't break any lines. So right now we're gonna remove these brackets right here for the brakes, and then we're gonna remove 2 bolts from the back so this one can come out. So we're gonna remove this bracket right now, take everything out, and the brake pads. Alright fam, so we're removing this right here, this bracket. So you just press it with something thin, hit it from the front, and be careful because I already scraped my caliper. So take it out. That's one more to go, so we can release this bracket. Alright fam, we remove the bracket, it's out. So we're gonna take off the brake pads. See, look at the life on them. They're still pretty good, but it's gonna be time to change them. So let me get the front ones, put everything back, and the rotor. Alright, new brake pads are in, but I'm just gonna take off the rotor. That way I can, if I put everything back right now, the bracket and everything, since the rotor is brand new, we don't know how thick it is, so it might not fit. So if it doesn't fit, I might need to take off everything again. So I don't want that, so I'm gonna leave it like this right now, change the rotor, and put everything back. So let's do that. Alright fam, so an easy way to remove your rotor, this safety bolt, I took it out in order to fit my wheels, but instead of hammering out the rotor, like keep hitting it with the hammer, you know, just use the same bolt and tight it all in, and it's gonna take out your rotor automatically. This is what I did, and rotor came out. See, there you go, you guys seen that right here. So it took it out all quick instead of hammering everything. So that's a good one. So use this 10mm bolt all the way in, and it takes out your rotor. Sick. Alright fam, first one is down, we're good to go. We're just gonna go to the next one and start working on this one on the passenger side. Take it out, and then we should be good to go. Alright fam, so we are done with the front ones. I'm just gonna put everything, like the brackets, brake lines, put them back, put the wheels, and then we're gonna start on the back. So there they are. These are the front ones. They're ready to go. Alright fam, so we're just gonna hit it right here. Make sure you remove your e-brake. Don't forget that. Alright fam, we got the rears. Everything's good. We need one more, the other side. So we're gonna go ahead and do that quick. So let's put in the wheel and jump on the other side. Let's do it. Alright fam, there it is. We finished all 4 wheels. If you have a friend, it's gonna be much easier. One can jump in the other side, you can do the other side. If you're by yourself, it's gonna take a while, just like me. I'm not gonna lie, it took me a while. Yeah, I did 2 fronts and 2 rears. So here's the old ones, and we have the new ones. So I'm gonna take the car for a spin and see how they feel right now. We're gonna go test it out. Let's go. Alright fam, as you guys can see, we got a little bit of smoke coming out, and the reason is because the one that sold me the company that sold me these rotors, they put like a paint to prevent rust. So right now it's just eating all that paint, if you guys can tell. So I guess it's going to be eating it. So that's going to be, it's going to take a while for the pads to settle in. See, we got a couple smoke coming out from this one as well. Other than that, I mean, looks good, fam. I mean, can't complain about it. Brakes nice. Yeah, that's about it, fam. This is the video today. It's gonna be, that's it. We did the front rotors, rear pads, front pads, and yeah. This is the shirt, fam. Make sure you go and grab yours. We have this design at the front. We got this on the side. It's the same red origin, but in something, how do you call that? Some Japanese letters. So I think we're done with the video, fam. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.